Shah from Blockbuster. Hi, Tabu.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Acha, I just wanted to ask you whether your role has shades of grey in the film. And since, as a tormentor, do you come in the way of the romantic couple in their, this thing, you know?
Well, you'll have to see the film to, for you to understand what her participation is in the story. But consciously or unconsciously, she has a role to play in their love story also.
अच्छा, आप तीनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आप तीनों के जीवन में कौन सा फितुर सर चढ़ के बोलता है? स्टार्ट विद कटरीना. कटरीना फितुर. ओके तबू, स्टार्ट विद तबू.
अगर होता तो अब तक कुछ हो चुका होता ना.
आदित्य.
This film, nothing else.
ऐसा थोड़ी, ये फिल्म तो अभी आई है.
हाँ तो. But I've been working on it for 1.5 years.
नहीं, उसके पहले
दावत इश्क थी. उसके पहले आशिकी.
माने फिल्मी फितुर था.
Correct. Only.
Okay. Katrina.
Abhishek.
Katrina, answer.
Oh, I don't have an answer right now.
What kind of fitur keeps on your mind always, like, you know? It must have been there.
इनको काम का जुनून है वैसे. अगर आप इनको सेट पे देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सबसे ज्यादा फितूर इन्हीं को है कि जिस तरीके से ये काम करती हैं और जितने डेडिकेशन से ये काम करती हैं, सुनती हैं और करती हैं, इन्हें काम का फितूर बिल्कुल है.
I agree. I must say, Katrina is the most hardworking actress I've ever met, I have ever seen and worked with. We had only 3 days of shooting, but the involvement with which she works was amazing.
We'll take
Just
the last.
amazing.
Katrina, a question for you here. The film obviously talks about, the difficulty in two people uniting. As a star, as a top star, what do you think is the most difficult thing when you're in love?
It depends who you're in love with. Because in love, the opposition either comes from an outside force or it comes from the person you're in love with. So I think every relationship and every love story has its own conflict and has a different conflict. Sometimes it can be the conflict of as I said, a third party. It can be the conflict of uncertainty. It can be the conflict of afraid of commitment. It can be so many conflicts. So I think it really does just depend who you're in love with.
Encounters that you could relate to in your character?
Sorry?
Any encounters that you could relate to in your character vis-a-vis your own life? Because that's what an actor derives from, right?
I think yes, but I think also there's probably, it's not that you literally translate everything from your own life onto film, but I think you can use moments of pain in your life to depict that, if you need to show that in a film, or moments of happiness, moments of great love you felt, great sorrow. You can use those moments, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be exactly the same circumstance.
Abhishek here, slightly towards your left. Here. Abhishek, there is a steamy kiss that Katrina shares with Aditya, and given the kind of sanskari
Who said that? Who said that?
So there is nothing.
Nothing like that.
Given the kind of censor board that we have in place today, do you expect any troubles when it comes to getting the film certified?
No, I'm not expecting any kind of troubles. I've not done anything wrong. I'm making a movie. It's about love, and I'm not going to anticipate something that I don't perceive should exist. So keep the negativity away.
Also, there were reports that Ajay Devgan would be playing a cameo in the movie. Is it true? Is it not true? Anything that you would like to say?
I wouldn't comment on that either.
Katrina, I have a question for you. The film is releasing on Feb 12th. Feb 14th is Valentine's. What would your plans be this time around with Ranbir?
You'll be promoting with me, Katrina, that day.
Feb 14th, I'll be gone from your life. It'll be Feb 12th. I'll be like, nice to know you. It's great knowing you. Bye bye.
This holiday she is definitely taking.
Feb 14th. I hope and I pray that we are all very happy in our own spaces and celebrating and have got a wonderful reaction for the film. That's what I hope I'm doing.
Mark was just promoting
Feb
the
12th को फिल्म लगेगी, Feb 14th को इनके घर के बाहर लाइन लग जाएगी लड़कियों की, तो you should not have a problem at all.
No, that's a good idea.
This question
that's
is
a wrap.
to all the members of the
Katrina,
cast.
Katrina, hi. What's with the red hair?
Last
you know,
question.
You have red hair. Tabu has red hair in the film.
So the connection between Tabuji and me having red hair is obviously, it's meant, I think there's kind of is a subtle thought behind it that, like mother, like daughter. So there is that trying to kind of become, in a way she is becoming her mother. The reason why the color is red, or the reason why my hair is red in the film, I'm not sure if it was my idea or Gatu's idea. We'll have to ask.
Actually, it's film Kashmir is a backdrop, and कश्मीर की एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात यह है कि वहाँ पे चिनार के पेड़ हैं, और एक साल में एक वक्त आता है जब सारे उसके पत्ते सारे लाल हो जाते हैं. And somewhere there's a metaphor with the chinar tree and the beautiful ladies in the movie.
Have you read the novel, The Great Expectations? This to the members of the cast. And I'm Pallavi from Mebella.in. To the members of the cast, have you read the novel, The Great Expectations? And which cinematic adaptation of the novel do you like the most?
I haven't watched it. I haven't read it, sorry. I haven't read it, no. So, because I wanted to just read the script and derive whatever I had to derive from whatever was there on the script. If I was going to read the book, then I might have been looking for things that weren't there in the script. So the script is like your Bible, and you just take from that, is the way that I kind of approached it.
Abhishek, we've seen in the recent past that Heather had Kashmir as one of its backdrops, and we're seeing some sort of element of Kashmir in Fitur as well. Are you foreseeing any sort of, and Heather has had a lot of opposition, and it won a lot of praise as well. So do you see that maybe in terms of opinions, maybe there that...
No, I don't see any similarity whatsoever in this movie and Heather. I mean,
I'm saying in terms of backdrop of in a way, Kashmir in a way.
No, I mean, even Kabhi Kabhi is shot in Kashmir. So is there any similarity
conflict in
between
Kashmir? Conflict in Kashmir.
No, there's absolutely zero similarity between Heather and Fitur, other than the fact that they both star the lovely Tabu. Yeah. But there's no other similarity. This is a movie about love, and it's a love story. And it's about heartbreak. It's about, absolutely no similarities.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.